just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. As I'm in the kitchen baking, paying attention to me canner. These are some leeks I bought the other day, and I'm making some things up for the freezer because then they'll be all ready when I want. Like this, I'm hurting now after spending a couple of days in the kitchen. So this weekend I'm going to have a long weekend sewing. So I'll be pulling things out of the freezer and we'll possibly have this one as well. But my own home canned chicken and butternut squash. They're in wide mouth jars with metal lids, which is a rarity for me because when Jane sent me these jars, she sent me some lids for them as well. So that's the chicken. I'm just taking lumps of the chicken out. Going into a jar here. So that is the juice that the chicken has produced. So that is going on Mason's tea tonight. Leeks are like onions. You don't have to blanch them before you freeze them. So if we don't eat this over the next couple of days, which I don't think we will do, it's going straight in the freezer instead. And there's the bone. Stir it around. Oh, that's fine. I was going to put a pastry top on it, but I think I'll be able to. Especially once I get the butternut squash in there. Never mind. Butternut squash. Now if I was putting pasta in this and cooking it tonight, I would actually put the juice from the chicken and the butternut squash in because the pasta would soak that up. But I'm not cooking it tonight. It's going for the freezer. And that'll do it. When it's done, comes out of the freezer, defrost it, put it in the oven, centre of the oven for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and that gives me enough time to do pasta for it. So I might even take this into a large container and do a pasta and leek and chicken bake when it comes out. But I don't like freezing pasta, I don't think it comes out very well. But that's one for the freezer.
It's a perfect situation.